Hello, this message is brought to you by the Contra Costa County Bar Association Lawyer Referral Information Service. I am a lawyer in the San Francisco Bay Area who practices in the area of employment law. Although specific laws differ from state to state, my purpose here is to tell you about common problems you face and decisions you need to make if you are confronting legal problems in the area of employment law. I am a partner at a law firm that specializes in employment law and litigation. I have represented both individual litigants and businesses. Today, I hope to answer a few common California employment law questions. The first question many people ask is, when do I need to see an attorney? The answer to this depends on what type of an employee you are and what type of problem you are having. Most employees in California are classified as at will, unless they are either subject to a union collective bargaining agreement or a written contract. At will means that an employer is free to discharge employees for no cause at all, as long as the employer's reason is not otherwise contrary to law. For instance, an employer may not discharge an employee because of the employee's race, color, national origin, gender, marital status, sexual orientation, religion, physical, or mental disability. An employer also may not terminate an employee for reporting illegal activity of the employer to an official agency. What does this mean for you? If you are an at-will employee and are terminated by your employer for one of the illegal reasons discussed previously, you may want to contact an attorney. You will want to do this quickly, because before you may file a lawsuit related to employment harassment or discrimination, you must first file a claim with the proper administrative agency. Strict time limits or statutes of limitation are enforced, and if you miss the deadline, you may lose your right to pursue your claim altogether. Once you have set up a time to consult with an attorney, remember to bring to the initial consultation all documents you have that could be used as evidence of the employer's unlawful behavior, so the attorney will be able to determine the strength of your case. If you are a union employee, your employer's actions are governed by a collective bargaining agreement. You will want to report any grievance to the union, again in a timely manner, so that you don't miss any deadlines. If you are not satisfied with the union's handling of your grievance, you then may wish to contact an attorney. If your employment is governed by an employment contract that you believe your employer has violated, you may wish to contact an attorney who will review the contract and evaluate your claim. Other times you may wish to consult an employment attorney include when you are offered a severance package. An attorney can explain the terms and make sure they are put into a properly written agreement and can also engage in negotiations on your behalf. In most cases, once you sign a severance agreement, you are giving up your rights to pursue the employer for any issues at a later date, so you want to make sure everything is dealt with properly. Another time you may wish to consult an attorney is if you believe you are working overtime without getting paid for it. An attorney can evaluate if you are an exempt or non-exempt employee under either California or federal law. Non-exempt employees must be paid overtime for any work over 8 hours in a day or 40 hours in a week. You may wish to consult an attorney if you are having difficulty getting job accommodations or reassignments that you need because of an injury or disability. Finally, you may also not want to sign an arbitration agreement or non-compete agreement given to you by your employer until an attorney reviews it and negotiates proper terms on your behalf. I hope this discussion has helped you understand the general legal issues which arise. For specific help, you may need the assistance of an attorney. In your area, there should be a Lawyer Referral and Information Service sponsored by your local bar association. You can usually find the service in the Yellow Pages or on the internet. You can also contact the Contra Costa County Bar Association's Lawyer Referral and Information Service in the San Francisco Bay Area. We can help you find answers to legal problems by giving you an initial consultation with a lawyer near you at a very low cost. The lawyer can explain the specific law in your area and inform you about what your costs might be if you require additional help.